Hey everybody, it's Jay from Norman S. Wright. In last week's video, I discussed the design guidelines in ASHRAE Guideline 44, and this week I want to talk about the air cleaning and filtration technologies it talks about. So let's get started. As a reminder, ASHRAE Guideline 44, Protecting Building Occupants from Smoke During Wildfire and Prescribed Burn Events, discusses best practices for building design, operation, and maintenance to reduce health risk associated with smoke exposure. The primary goal is to reduce PM 2.5 concentration in the building to as low as reasonably achievable, ALERA, targeting 20% of outdoor concentration or lower. Let's move this up. As I mentioned last week, ASHRAE 44 recommends MERV 13 or higher filters for removing PM 2.5 particulates. One thing that needs to be considered is whether the building's HVAC system can accommodate the higher pressure drop of the MERV 13 or higher filters. Filters can load up quickly during wildfire events. They may need to be changed as frequently as daily during smoke events, and wildfire smoke events can last multiple days. During this time, the recirculation system should be operated continuously for air cleaning. Let's move this over again. The higher efficiency filters will increase the pressure drop in the HVAC system, which can stress the fan motors. So monitoring the fan motor operation will be important to determine safe operation of the system, or possibly the inability to use higher MERV-rated filters. While not specifically called out in the guideline, polarized filters can be an effective option to achieve MERV 14 or higher performance with low static pressure. Let's move this up. For instance, a polarized filter can achieve the equivalent to a MERV 14 or 15 performance with the static pressure of a MERV 8 filter. Polarized filters have an electrostatic charge which acts much like a magnet that increases the particle capture efficiency. This results in higher MERV value assigned to the filter. But note that as the filter begins to load with dirt, the charge can no longer attract particles and the MERV value will drop. But in a wildfire situation, this may be a good solution if you cannot handle the pressure drop of a non-polarized MERV 13 filter. Let's move this over. You will want to clean both the recirculated and outdoor air. A MERV 13 or higher filter temporarily installed on the outdoor air intakes will capture a large fraction of the PM 2.5 particles. The guidelines suggest adding a pressure gauge to measure the filter pressure drop on at least one air handling unit and replace the filter when the pressure drop becomes twice the initial pressure drop. Carbon filters may be better saved for after the wildfire event. They can reduce VOCs and odors, but they will add static pressure. Make a little bit of room. Keep in mind, smoke infiltration also occurs through envelope leakage. So carbon filters can't completely eliminate odors during an ongoing wildfire if it's coming through the building openings and doors. During a wildfire event, air curtains at entrances can be a useful strategy to reduce infiltration as well. Let's make a little more room. ASHRAE 44 also suggests using portable air cleaners in spaces where cleaning the recirculating or incoming air is insufficient. You'll want to select a portable air cleaner designed to reduce PM 2.5 particles. Air purifiers with HEPA filters would be a good choice for this. Let's bring everything back on screen. ASHRAE 44 also talks about having a smoke readiness plan. This means having the filters and air purifiers on hand before the wildfire event happens. Once a wildfire event has happened, everyone's going to be out trying to get filters and air purifiers, so planning ahead is important. As always, you can contact your Norman S. Wright salesperson if you have any questions about the best smoke filtration for your application. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.